Thank you so much for those people who like and follow my page. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, so we are now here on our second episode. Second episode. Ayan. So now, what are we going to discuss? Okay, so before, remember what we did was your first page in Notepad. Ngayon, titignan natin ano ba yung other option besides sa Notepad. Kasi, as you can see, yung text niya is kulay itim lang. Ngayon, let's see. If you don't have Chrome, then I highly recommend to download Chrome. So, by searching, right? If you are, for example, let's say, I'm in Safari and you don't have Chrome or you have only Internet Explorer, then just search. Okay. Download Google Chrome. Okay. So once you're there, you need to download it. Okay. And then since I have it, so I'm not gonna download it and then install it on your system. So if you're using Mac, then it will download Mac application. But if you are in Windows, then it will also prompt you to Windows. So you will need to install that because when it comes to website development, then Google Chrome is the best option. So now we're going to open Google Chrome. So what is a text editor? Okay, so remember before we have used Notepad, right, to create our first web page. Now we're going to download our first text editor. So in designing, there's a lot of free software that we can use and they're really good. A text editor may sound boring to some, but it is the lifeblood of many organizers around the world. Okay, for development teams, to publisher, text, and code editors. So we can find a lot of text editor. One of those was Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's a good one. So it's a free source code editor made by Microsoft. There's a lot. And it's free. The good thing, it's free. So why we are missing free things? We only need to learn. We only need to search. Resources is everywhere, but we need to be resourceful. Okay. But now what we're going to discuss is about brackets. So what is brackets? So brackets is a text editor from the folks of Adobe. So you know what Adobe is, right? So this text editor bracket, I've been using this one for more than let's say it's too long ago, maybe 5 years or 6. Okay, so just don't ask the age. So while you're coding, you can actually see the changes that's going on in the front end, so in real time. So writing the code is our main focus in bracket, and it's done with the help of inline editor, live preview, which is nicely organized. So later I'm gonna show you how text editor connects to GitHub. It means like you can share it to GitHub, but we're not gonna tackle it right now. Offer more modern open source solution for developer creating website. This is free. Yes, it is free. Bracket is so free. Why not take advantage of that? Take advantage of free open source program. We don't need to pay for monthly subscription. And there's a lot free sources, open source, that is what they called. You can use it freely. Okay? What is a front-end development? Okay? Front-end developer are the one who manage the visualization of the website. So whatever you see on the website, that is because of the front end developer. So basically, they will handle the look, the touch, the feel of the site. So ultimately, the design of your web page. That is what I do, front end development. Okay, somebody is saying happy birthday. Okay, now we are going to download the brackets. So let's go there. Brackets.io. So what we need to do is click this one for download. As we can see, it's downloading. There. Okay. And once done, what you need to do, if you're in Mac, then we need to open it. Okay, then install it. Okay, so we're going to open it, brackets, install it, and we're going to open the brackets now. Here is brackets, and as you can see, it is more organized. Okay, we can see colors, and we can distinguish if we mistakenly or something is missing on our code or in our HTML. So for example, I'm going to remove this head. Okay. And as you notice that this become red, so you know that something is wrong. Okay, so what is the good thing here is that we can view immediately by clicking this one. Okay, so now this is the bracket. Okay, so you can see that it is more organized, and we can see a lot of colors, right? So we can notice if we have something we have done mistakenly or delete something, then it will clearly show. Okay, but for some, maybe for others, it will not. Okay, live preview. This is this is a very useful tool. I'm gonna click that one, and it will go to Google Chrome. Okay, as you can see here, this is the page getting started with the bracket. Okay, for example, I'm gonna make the H1 red. So what we need to do is put a style. Live preview is very powerful for us to see what is happening on our front end. In this example, we're not yet gonna use CSS or cascading style sheet. We're going to do it inline. Since it is a style, so we're going to put style. Okay, so as you can see, as we type, we can see the option that we can choose from. So what are the style? We need to change the color. So we need to declare color. Okay, and as you can see here, there are options. Okay, name of the colors, but as we go along, I'm going to teach you how we can choose our color scheme. Okay, in this scenario, maybe I would like to choose crimson. Okay, so as you can see, it's automatically change on that side. So for example, I would like to put my name. Okay, my name. I want to put my name. So first we have changed the color. Okay, this is a guide. This is your guide, and I just want to put my name here. Okay, I'm gonna use H3. 3 Hazel Jane Dino. So there you go. As we can see, this is H1, which is more bigger on size. H2, this is the second one, and H3, okay, which is the third one. So there you go, and hopefully in our next session you have your brackets with you, and we're gonna start on creating more powerful web pages. Thank you guys, and remember, Enzar, remember. Enzo, come on. That's all for today, and always remember that
Work is always in progress to be techy. And remember, work is always in progress to be techy.
and remember,
Work is always in progress to be sexy.
and always remember that
Work is always in progress to be techy.
okay, mga kateki, thank you so much, and bye.